Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Quantum TWS Air wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard factory reset back to the out-of-the-box factory defaults on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case the earbuds are not syncing to one another, so the left earbud's not working or the right earbud's not working. You're only getting sound out of one earbud. This reset will also resync the earbuds together. But also if they're not pairing with your Bluetooth or they're not connecting, or just not working in any reason, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if any situation where you want to basically set these up like they're new, so you want to have them delete all the settings and pairing history and everything off of them, we can go ahead and do that. So we're going to want to go ahead and delete them off our phone and everything like that, because we're going to start fresh once we do this. And all we need to do is take both earbuds out of the case, and then we're just going to, on either of the earbuds, doesn't matter, we're going to do 2 short presses and then a long press for 5 seconds. So we're going to go tap, tap, tap for 5 seconds. And you'll see that the LEDs on both earbuds will flash blue twice quickly, and you'll actually hear, if you have them in your ears when you do this, you'll actually hear power off. So now they've been reset and they're powered off. All you need to do now is put them in their case, close the case, and then open the lid of the case again, and they'll automatically turn back on, go into pairing mode and sync mode like they're coming out of the box for the first time. I hope this helped. If it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.